टू लर्न इंग्लिश ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड 5 और उसमें हम एडवेंचर चैप्टर का एक्टिविटी 5 देखेंगे. Fill in the missing letters to create a word from the article given below. Then write the full word on the line. See here, clue दिया है top of a mountain. तो I have written here summit, SUMMIT. Second, from the United Kingdom. I have written here British, BRITISH. Journey on foot, trek, TREK. Reply, answer, response, RESPONCE. Pass something along from one person to another, relayed, RELAYED. Activity 6. Read the following passage. Conquering Everest. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on earth. अर्थ पे सबसे बड़ा माउंटेन कौन सा है? माउंट एवरेस्ट. इट्स पीक इज लोकेटेड ऑन द बॉर्डर बिटवीन नेपाल एंड तिब्बत इन चाइना. उसकी जो बॉर्डर है वो कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है? नेपाल और तिब्बत के बीच में. इट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ द ग्रेट हिमालयन माउंटेन रेंज. For many years, climbers tried and failed to reach the summit of Mount Everest. In 1953, the British put everything they had into giving it one more try. 1953 में ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट थी, उन लोगों ने सब कुछ दाव पे रख दिया एक ट्राई के लिए. They hoped that their climbers would reach the top in time for the coronation of Queen Elizabeth. 10 different climbers from all over the world were chosen to make the trek. In April and May, supplies were relayed up the mountain and camps were set up every 1000 to 2000 feet. और कैंप वहाँ पे सेट किए गए. कौन से मंथ में? अप्रैल और मई में. When they returned home, journalists kept asking the two men who reached the summit first. Each time they were asked, the response was the same. We reached it together. As a team. हम लोग टीम में वहाँ पे पहुँचे. Keywords: conquering, to win something, summit, the top of a mountain, coronation, a ceremony at which a person is made king or queen. Activity 7. Observe the table given below and complete the sentence. Sharon Wood, नेशनलिटी, डेट ऑफ बर्थ और डेट ऑफ एसेंट दिया हुआ है. उसके ऊपर से हमें ये फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स फिल करनी है. द फर्स्ट वुमन टू क्लाइम माउंट एवरेस्ट इज जुंको टबे एट द एज ऑफ 36. Sharon Wood was 29 years old when she climbed the Mount Everest. Most of the climbers climb the Everest during the month of May because it is the best season to climb. The eldest woman among all is Junko Tabe and present 76 years old. Vicky Dolma was the climber among कौन सा? सबसे यंगेस्ट क्लाइंबर. टॉप्सी टर्वी लैंड. एक पोएम दी हुई है यहाँ पे. The people walk upon their heads, the sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. Topsy-turvy land में क्या है? बच्चे रात को स्कूल जाते हैं और पीपल जो है वो अपने हेड से चलते हैं. The front door step is at the back. You are walking when you stand. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy-turvy land. क्या बोलते हैं यहाँ पे पोएट? कि जो पैर है उसमें कैप पहनने के लिए बोलते हैं. हेड कहाँ पे वहाँ पे के लोग पहनते हैं? पैरों में. And buses on the sea you will meet, while pleasure boats are planned to travel up and down the streets. In topsy-turvy land, you pay for what you never get. I think it must be grain, for when you go you are coming back in topsy-turvy land. H.E. Wilkinson. Activity 8. Write a same poem by filling missing words in the blank. This you have to do yourself. You have to write here missing words. Okay? Full poem is given here. Activity 9. Find 9 words related to adventure from the following grade. यहाँ पे आपको 9 words ढूंढ के यहाँ पे आपको ढूंढने हैं. See here, I have got these 9 words: travel, excursion, expedition, trek, voyage, trip, flight, cruise and safari. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.